Good day, everyone. Welcome to TubeMate, your ultimate source for all things YouTube. Anastasia Radzinskaya, also known as Nastya, is the star of the highly regarded YouTube channel Like Nastya. Nastya, who was born on January 27, 2014 in Krasnodar, Russia, has charmed and captivated millions of people with her videos. Nastya's parents run the channel, which is now one of YouTube's most popular destinations for children's content. In 2016, Nastya's parents, Andrei Radzinskaya and Svetlana Radzinskaya, established the YouTube channel as a means of documenting their daughter's day-to-day activities. The initial content of the channel was primarily made up of home videos showing Nastya's milestones in development, her playful moments, and the loving interactions that took place within the family. In the huge and different scene of YouTube content makers, few have had as significant an effect lately as the youthful sensation known as Like Nastya. Starting around 2023, Nastya has ascended to notoriety as one of the most unmistakable and cherished kid stars on the web. The remarkable journey of Like Nastya, from her humble beginnings to her status as a global entertainer and influencer, is the subject of this article. The meteoric rise to fame. Nastya's content gained widespread and immediate popularity. Her beguiling character, interest, and irresistible chuckling reverberated with watchers, all things considered. Millions of people all over the world were moved by the family's decision to share their journey in an open and touching way. As Nastya developed, so did her channel's substance. The recordings developed to incorporate a large number of subjects, for example, toy unboxings, instructive substance, challenges, sightseeing video blogs, and creative play. Nastya's ability to interact with her viewers and maintain authenticity in her videos contributed significantly to the channel's rapid expansion. When Nastya's channel reached 10 million subscribers in 2018, it marked a significant milestone. It had become YouTube's most popular children's channel by 2020. Nastya's videos had made her into a global phenomenon thanks to her captivating world and loving family dynamic. Educational and entertainment content. A characterizing element of Like Nastya's substance is its instructive worth. Through engaging and entertaining methods, many of the videos aim to teach young viewers fundamental concepts like colors, numbers, letters, and shapes. Nastya's parents incorporate popular toys and animated characters into their lessons to make learning enjoyable. Additionally, Nastya's imaginative play videos, in which she assumes the roles of a doctor, chef, or firefighter, encourage children to develop social and problem-solving skills as well as their creativity. Because of its diverse content, the channel is a reliable source for parents looking for engaging digital experiences for their children. Global popularity and multilingual content. The universal appeal of Nastya, for example, transcends language barriers. The channel produces content in English and Russian to cater to its international audience, which is diverse. Nastya's approach fosters a sense of inclusivity and connection among young viewers worldwide by enabling children from diverse regions to appreciate and comprehend her videos. Positive impact and philanthropy. Beyond YouTube, the Like Nastya brand extends. Numerous brand partnerships and merchandise, including clothing lines and toys, have resulted from Nastya's influence. Additionally, the channel has begun charitable endeavors, utilizing its platform to raise awareness and funds for causes pertaining to the health and well-being of children. In the world of online content creation, Like Nastya will continue to shine as a beacon of hope and inspiration until 2023. Nastya's rise to international fame from a young child with cerebral palsy demonstrates the power of authenticity, creativity, and the capacity to deeply connect with an audience. Like Nastya's content educates as well as entertains, making it a trusted source for parents and a joy and educational resource for children. Nastya's story is a reminder of the transformative power of the internet to bring people from all walks of life together. Her meteoric rise to fame is also a testament to the long-lasting appeal of content that is genuine, uplifting, and focused on families. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the world of YouTube here at TubeMate. If you enjoyed today's video and want more exciting content just like this, don't forget to subscribe, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and let's continue this incredible YouTube journey together. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.